So welcome to Postly. This is the best place to get your tasks done and find the right people to do them. So if you click on Get Started, that will take you into the sign up page where you can enter your username, email, and password. And there's also some sort of validation for the password to ensure that you have a secure and safe password. So if you just create an account and go to the login page, this is where you can log in. And one of the key features is also uh, an account logout. So if you sign in with the incorrect details 5 times, that will lock out your account. Yeah, so you can see the account is locked out, but you can still sign into any other accounts that you have. So if you just sign in, yeah. Okay, moving on to the profile page. So if you go to view profile, you can see all your details and you can also edit your photo, username, email, phone number, and password as well. And there's also validation for each of these sections. Moving on to the settings page, this is where you can see all your details. You can change your password and you can also delete your account, which we're not going to do. Yep, so moving on.
Yeah. So if you're logged in, you can post a task. Try pressing post task, like now. Yeah, so you can see that some of the fields are required. You can select one or more tags. You can input a budget. The deadline is optional, and you can put in a location and verify it. And confirm. And you can also choose attachments if you want. Yeah, and post task. And you should see that in the browse task page.
So for our browse task page, we have a search bar. This is where you can search by title, description, and also the budget range where there's a minimum and maximum cost for each task. We also have a location and also some sort of sorting to view the task.
Okay. After that, we obviously have a mini map, as you can see, and you can click on tasks. And then once you click on that, you can view their details. You can do the same thing as you saw before by just clicking on the tasks here. So obviously, once you click onto a task, you see everything you need to see. So you can see the title, details, tags, the attachments. You can click on the attachments, it'll come up. Location, due date. Obviously, you can't bid on your own task, right? But if I go on to another task, say this one here by Max Jones, I can make an offer. This one has some error checking, similar to post task. So once I make a bid, I can also edit and withdraw it. So you can see here, I can change it. I'll change it to like 70, and that will come through. Then we can see in my tasks, which Isaac will talk about.
Yeah, so these are all the tasks you have posted, and it shows similar details to before. You can choose to edit the task and also delete. Yep, so as you can see, you can only edit a task which is open but not assigned.
Then from here, did I actually make a bid onto the wrong account? Oh no, sorry, I bid it on, sorry, this person here. So obviously this person here that has their own tasks, and I think we bid on this one. Yep. So we bid on this one. Obviously, we can see that bid come through. We can obviously accept that bid. Obviously, if there was other bids, you can pick which one you want to accept. But obviously, we can accept this one. This will create a contract between the poster and the person who made the bid, and it'll actually make the task assigned. So you'll see here, this will turn to assigned, as you can see, and it also won't appear on this page anymore. So obviously if we go to my contracts now contract has formed and we can see we have a few contracts already. And I think it was this one here. And this will also pop up onto the other person who made the bid, as we can see here, right? And they can both, as you can see, request or modification or cancellation. So I can show that here. Let's say this person here was like, wanted a bit more and they actually wanted to have a due date now. So let's say we're going to the 29th. We can have a reason for request. I don't know, more money. Um, And then once this is submitted, obviously they also can't request a modification while they have made a modification. So if I try to request one, it'll fail. But if I reload that page, you can see which one was it? This one here, that the request has come through. Obviously, I can approve or deny. If I approve it, it updates here. And then if I reload this page, it'll also update it here with a new deadline. And you can obviously also request a cancellation. So if I request a cancellation, this person here will also receive that cancellation request, and I can approve or deny it. Here, I'll actually approve it. And if I reload the page, we'll see this gone from active to cancelled, as we can see here. Now we'll move on to reviews.
Okay, for the reviews page, you can search users by username to take a view of all the comments about the users, and you can see the reviews we have added, and you can also add reviews. So one user can only add one comment to another user. So if you added user doesn't exist, an error message user doesn't exist. And if you try to add a comment for yourself, you will receive an error message that you can't add a comment for yourself. Okay, so if we try to the right user, so
Right.
it's correct, you can check the review we added, and for the admin page. So administrators can view and manage all information related to tasks, reviews, and users on this page. First, the dashboard page displays some summary data and visual charts of current users, comments, and tasks. And then on the tasks page, administrators can view the publisher's description, title, and other information of each work. And they can delete tasks. They can also they can delete them, and they can also search for specific tasks through the search bar. Yeah, and next on the reviews page, administrators can view the content of each user's reviews for others, as well as publishers' information, and they can also delete comments, and they can also search for specific reviews through the search bar. Yeah, and the next page is for users page. Administrators can view each user's name, username, ID, and email information, and they can also search for specific users through the search bar. Yeah, and additionally, they can also export a CSV file of all user information.
Always glitches whenever I do this. Okay. Yep, sorry.
Yeah, and if you would like to log out for a second
Mm-hmm.
and then go through all the pages, so you see if you're not logged in, go to personal task. Yeah, you have to be logged in, go to browse task. You can browse tasks if you are not logged in. Yeah, but you just can't place bids.
Also, if you are an admin, you see this admin page, but obviously for the other user who wasn't, they don't see this admin page as well. Other than that, that's everything. We also have a page not found as well. So if I put something in, it'll just go that, and you can go back to the home page as well. And those are all our functional requirements.